Hey, I'm Ward Lenore, and today I'm going to be going over the using PowerShell to list installed software on a machine, a Windows machine lab, here for IS 477. So start off having PowerShell on my Windows computer here, running as an admin. First off, just being able to list off installed software here. I can just run a PowerShell command in the shell and get it to give me this list here of installed software that I have here on my computer. And then I can run a couple of other commands to this one to give me this same list from above in a CSV file, which I have already done and have the CSV file right here. And you can see it's the same CSV file, or it's the same information, but this time loaded into a CSV file. And the next command, whoops, this one right here will pull both 64 and 32-bit applications, and I should have it right here. Yes, here, this CSV file pulled up in Notepad, which has both 64 and 32-bit applications that are installed here on my Windows machine. And you can see this particular machine, my personal machine, has a lot of the just traditional Windows things, as well as my graphics stuff, and then just a bunch of video game applications that I have here on this Windows machine, and that is everything that it picked up doing its sweep here, looking for applications both 32 and 64-bit on this machine. So talking a little bit more about why this is important and specifically to the field of cybersecurity, it is important to audit what you have on your corporate machines in a corporate environment because you want to know what you have on your system. And that way you'll find out relatively quickly if something gets downloaded that may be against your acceptable use policy that could be on your system with maybe malicious intent. And attackers could leverage anything that's outdated and unapproved. So this auditing also will help you find anything outdated and unapproved that is on your system. And the outdated applications could be a specific concern because they could be not patched or they could not be getting updates anymore, and there's more time for that to be out in the wild for malicious people with malicious intent to be able to penetrate and find a way into your system, as well as with unapproved software. It might not have the security requirements that you need for it to be on your system, on your corporate environment. And some policies that organizations usually implement to enforce these sort of software compliances are any sort of acceptable use policies and just user agreements that your employees would have to be privy to before being given access to your environment there, just to make sure that everything stays safe and secure and nothing can be downloaded that is not accepted by your acceptable use policy. Thank you.